Bili tayo ng shoes mga par para sa ano natin, trabaho natin. Ito na lang mga par, bili natin gloves.
Dad, that's too much gloves.
3 kasi mawala eh. Ito, Davao del Sur, nandito. Oh, Canada!
Kailangan mo na paspasan pag 407 Kennedy yung ka. 407 Kennedy.
Shout out, ka driver, oh. Istorya ba?
Pa 401, 404, 407.
Season ba?
West, di ba? West?
Oh, west ka. West ka pa dulong.
Kung sa exit ano ba? 194?
Dilo.
Isaga ba?
Isaga.
Ako na lang eh. Depende ang pagkabot na.
410 ka mo exit na.
410. Padung.
Ano ni? Nanay lahos padulong gikan sa
Pero 407 lang yung West.
Oh, 407 ka west. Basta kung gikan ka dire nanay dalan sarili. Pero pag mag after na pag pauli na kapag ingon maka nag 410, 407, 401 ka.
Bili tayo ng shoes mga par para sa ano natin, trabaho natin. I think this one is, I think this is good, Inday. Maybe.
It's brown
so?
like the other one.
Yeah, but how about the size?
I don't know.
Oh, size 10. Oh, this is size 9.
Mine. What's your size? Again. Can you hurry up?
Oh, kasi
Can you hurry up?
okay, Inday.
Yes. You look like a hiker that's gonna hike the Mount Everest, okay? Like a hiker. I don't
Mount
know.
Everest, think so?
Yes. By now the percent is 26%. I don't think that's okay. You have to literally charge it. Wait.
Yeah, I like this one.
It fits. Wait lang. Here, I can't squish. I can't squish. Ow! Oh, I think Nana's texting me.
Ito, nakakabili na tayo ng shoes.
Guys, I found size 10.
Hindi yan. Mga ano yun eh. Ito yung binili natin mga paro. Yun talagang high cut. Yan. Still to din. Wala lang kasing size ano, size 10 so size 9. So medyo okay lang din sila naman siguro to. Kasi luluwag pa naman to pag habang ginagamit natin. Ano ganda oh. Still to mga paro, para safety yung paa natin. Let's go na yun. May reimburse naman to mga paro. Sa company natin, ibukod lang natin to. Kuha lang tayo ng gloves para sa ating kamay. Ito na lang mga par, bilhin natin gloves.
Dad, that's too much gloves.
3 kasi mawala eh.
Oh,
Or
okay.
maybe buy this one.
No, don't do it too because you might lose.
So this is okay?
Yes. Also, I want to buy my own gloves because the other ones are tight. I don't like it.
Hindi, mamaya na sa winter. Wala pang winter eh.
Tie. Next month is almost winter, so
Oh, hindi pa naman winter eh.
yes, but I want to buy gloves because the other ones are tight. So
Ito na
I
lang
just
mga para
want to
mas
save
maganda
some
kasi.
for winter, so I don't buy another
Ganda
one. So,
ng gloves na to.
no tie. Oh, tie. You can bring the hat, but you know,
Oo.
you're gonna sweat in that.
Remember that we buy what we want, what we need, not what we want.
Okay.
Remember?
How about
So
the
we can-
gloves? The gloves.
The glass.
It's almost winter, Tyson. Wait, not buying the gloves here.
Hindi, ano pa nga, school pa nga eh.
Oh, it's back to school.
Yeah.
Next month is my back to school.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
We have to
it's
go back.
been a long summer
Summer what?
summer vacation.
Oh,
And I'm excited to see Amaris
yeah.
because I've missed her.
Okay. So yun, pababa na tayo mga par. Yun tayo, nakabili na tayo bagong sapatos. Kasi yung sapatos ko talaga wala na. Down, down, in a way.
Right, look,
So yung sapatos ko mga partner, surrender na.
I'm walking backwards.
Sapatos ko pa yun dati sa unang trabaho ko. Kaya inabot rin siya ng, 7. Magwawalong buwan. Kaya ayun, gamit na din. Tatagilid na mga par, hirap na. Madulas na mo. Masyado yung sapatos na yun. Kaya yun, okay lang na mapalitan. Where's nanay?
I don't know.
Maybe nanay at the other side.
Oh, yeah, it is. Lots of fish. Blah blah blah. I don't like reading. That's my whale. Fins are so smooth. It is.
Hoy! Ayo!
Blah blah blah.
Ano pa? Hindi pa. Pabili na ako ng sapatos oh.
Nakabili ka?
Oh.
Blah blah blah. What are
May
you
bakal
guys?
yan sa...
Still to. Para inverse ko lang din naman to sa opisina.
What are you?
Magkano?
That's a big glove.
100 may yan. 100 to, mga 100.
Like,
Pauwi na kami mga par. Tapos na kayo nakabili na akong shoes. Tapos
Yes.
gloves. Tapos prutas.
yes,
Oh.
banana. 'Cause
Banana.
Tata is monkey.
What?
Yes.
Ah.
Actually, my
Yeah.
whole family is monkey. Because
Okay.
we love bananas.
Alright.
Actually, the whole Philippines is
Oh.
monkey. Because we eat bananas.
We love banana.
And Tata, wait lang. Do you have banana trees in your house?
Yes.
Oh, yay! I wanna go to
In
your
Davao,
house
in
right now.
Davao, there's a lot of bananas. The banana like
Tree?
trees. Like we have a banana factory.
Wow.
Like
Wow. Never
plant
noticed
banana.
that. Oh, Tay, I remember when you go to Davao
yeah,
City until 10 days. Remember?
yeah, like
It's
2
like
weeks.
missing you. Yeah, like 10 days.
Yeah, I know.
Literally 10 days.
Aha. So ayun mga par. Napit na kami sa bahay.
Yes.
Pagod na ako.
No,
Kakalakad.
I'm not.
Ay.
But my legs hurt.
Yeah. So ayun mga par. Sunday pa lang ngayon no. So bukas may pasok ulit tayo. Kaya kailangan tayo magpahinga. Shoutout ulit no. Shoutout pala kay John Sibog ng Mississauga no. Maraming salamat sa suporta par. Siyempre yung ating lahat ng taga-suporta no, Irene, Kabayan Pedro Roque, Rainier Perez, Mikey Lee, Yubiloy, Velasco Colina family no, Andrea Jeds TV no, shout out. Marami rin silang mga vlogs na mga bago no. And ayun, napanood ko pa rin sila, sinusundan ko. And then yun, ang ating ang ating Team Mafia no, mayroon tayong get together. Yun, okay, kita kami para meron mag-ihaw-ihaw mga par. Pahinga daw. Pahinga. Medyo madilim na pero yun, pahinga muna ng konti. Ito. So, ayun mga par no? Nagpahinga lang sila papa doon no? Kasi pagod na rin sa lakad. Pahinga ng konti tapos pasok na kami. And ayun, bukas mga par, ganun ulit yung ruta natin no? Sa Highway 7 ulit tayo. Kasama natin si Boss Aaron no? Yan yung partner natin ngayon. Kasi nga, yun si Boss Michael ay nilipat na sa ibang ruta. So, ayun lang mga par. Ate Susan Moreno, shoutout. Kay Ate Wanil and Kuya Roland, shoutout, no. And syempre, kita-kita tayo ngayong darating na na Sabado, no. Shoutout kina Ate Lubiman, Kuya Rainier, no. Maraming salamat sa pag-host, and sila Ma'am Ina, no. Shoutout, no. Kita-kita tayo. And magiging masaya yun mga par, kasi yun, nagsama-sama uli kami. So, yun, kahit busy, no, mayroon kaming time na magsasama-sama uli. Yun si Inday sa likod, no. So yun mga par, maraming salamat, no. To God be all the glory. Siguro dito ko muna tatapusin ng vlog, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye! So yun mga par, bye!
Bye.